How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with another paintless dent repair video. This time around we have a motorcycle fender, which is right here. Nasty dent. Hopefully you can see that right there. I don't know which motorcycle this belongs to, but if you know, leave a comment below. I think it's probably a Sportster or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and remove this dent. We're gonna set it up on the jig right over there, and I'm gonna bring you along. All right, stay tuned. All right, so this is a jig that you get from Ultra Dent Tools. It costs roughly about $1,400. I bolted it to the ground here at the shop. Sorry for the mess. This is kind of like our catch-it-all corner. But I'm gonna show you a little time lapse of how I set the jig up for this particular fender. This is only like my 5th or 6th time using this jig. There's a lot of creative ways you can use it. You can set things up, but you know, this is the way that I feel comfortable setting it up, and we'll change it if need be, but I'll explain it kind of after I set it all up. All right, so one of the reasons why I use this stand is look how strong this is. I mean, it does not flex at all. You have multiple places where you can use the factory mounting points from either a tank or a fender. So, I mean, this thing, it comes with just a bunch of stuff. So I almost can build another stand with the amount of equipment and accessories that it comes with. But I'm gonna get started on this dent. I'm probably gonna try to use a stand liner tool on that, and you'll see coming up. Now, looking at this damage, you'll probably only see the direct impact point, but what it did was actually, the energy actually came over and bowed out these areas right on the edge. So we kind of have to lift the dent up, at the same time kind of press the edges back in. So I'm trying to figure that out right now. You guys will see. So before I go over the tools I use to perform this repair, if you're interested in learning this trade, we offer a one-on-one training course. Head over to our website for more information. Now let me show you what tools I used. All right guys, I wanna go over the tools I used for this repair. Mainly it was the Stanliner Pirate hook. I did bend this tool a couple of months ago. It's not the exact radius, but I did modify this one. Pirate hook from Stanliner did very, very well. The finishing part of this tool, this job, was the single bend Ultra Dent tools. They have the part number on it, so I'm gonna give that to you. It's ST3801 with the push caps. Now, unfortunately, I don't know what's going on with these push caps. I think I bought them from Anson or Dentcraft, one of the two. But it's just a standard push caps, but man, it was just chewing right through these. I probably went through about 15 of these. So, and it's like every 3 minutes that I needed to basically change the cap. So if you're a PDR guy, you know what I mean. But that was the tools I used for this repair. Let me show you the finished job. All right guys, I'm ready to get out of here. It's Saturday. I was just doing this repair for a friend. I thought it'd be a good chance to give some footage for you guys. I don't often do motorcycle tanks and fenders, but it gives you an idea of how to repair them, some of the things you gotta look out for, and all that good stuff. So hopefully this video has been informative. Thanks for sticking around for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.